Hey friends, what's going on? This is Rick Backus. I am in the Hunter Valley. I'm here with Carl Stockhausen, who was one of the original winemakers from Lindemans. And I gotta say, one of the things I love about wine is the history component. When you really delve into a region and you get to know the history and the people behind a brand. Now, a lot of us in the States know Lindemans, but you might not know the folks who helped get it to where it is. So, Carl, you were the winemaker at Lindemans from 1959-ish?
Yes, I took over in '59. My first full vintage was in 1960, and I did 20 consecutive vintages after that. And of course, there have been lots of changes in that time, as you can imagine. We were really primitive when I started there, and we didn't even have refrigeration at the time. But gradually, over the years, that all changed, and we got modernized, and of course, yes, it grew from there on.
Now, the Hunter Valley wine style has evolved over the decades, right? You were there until 1979, but you still taste a lot of wines, and you know a lot of what people are doing. You've seen the vineyards. How has the style changed?
How has
the Hunter Valley style overall changed?
Well, I was, of course, in the beginning, I took advice from the older people that were here, and I followed what they had been doing. But since then, for instance, Semillon has changed in that look at the picture a little earlier.
Yeah.
Therefore, they are fresher, a little bit more acid. These days, that's sort of a new style, lower alcohol. On the other hand, when I came, there was virtually no Chardonnay grown or made, but we had a quarter of an acre, which is not very much. And in '68, I actually made the first Chardonnay for Lindemans, which was very much appreciated by our chief winemaker when they came and tasted these wines. Quite surprised what it could do. And ever since then, this grew, and Chardonnay then became a very popular Hunter wine in the 1970s.
So really you helped introduce Chardonnay into the Hunter Valley?
You can say that, but many people would say no, we did.
Nice. Well, Carl, I appreciate and I want to thank you for all the contributions you made, because Hunter Valley wines are delicious, and I really thank you for taking time. And
it's my pleasure.
Yeah, thanks for joining me, man.
Very good.
Cheers.
Thank you.